Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about skincare, self-care and a little bit of bridal prep. I'm partnering with AMIRO Beauty in this video and I do have a discount code which I'll pop on screen now and I'll also link it below, so if you are interested later then it will be there. Just to be totally transparent with you guys, this will be my first time using the device, but I wanted to come on here and do a genuine first impression rather than using it for months and then pretending that this is some sort of overnight miracle. So you'll be seeing exactly what I see and feel in real time. And if you've followed me for a while, you will know that I've always loved skincare. I am just the sort of person that genuinely loves the ritual of it. But now that I'm planning my wedding, I feel like my mindset has completely shifted. I'm not chasing perfection as such now. I am more intentional about skin firmness, glow, and just looking rested and sculpted. I don't want last minute panic treatments. I want consistency, ease, and things that just fit into real life. And that's why at-home devices like this really appeal to me. So this is the AMIRO R3 Turbo facial RF device. It's designed as an all-in-one anti-aging and sculpting device, especially if you're relatively new to beauty tech and you don't want 5 different tools cluttering your bathroom. It targets the 3 most common skin concerns: fine lines, skin laxity and sagging, and pigmentation and dullness. It's meant to work on the full face, but especially the under eyes, the jawline and lower face, and the nasolabial folds and crow's feet. What I immediately like about this one is that it's designed to be quick. 2 to 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. Now that feels realistic. So let's talk about the device itself. The packaging already feels very luxe and very considered. The device is lightweight but solid. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. The treatment head is completely smooth and flat, which is actually very important because it means less friction, less pulling on the skin, and less risk of redness or pigmentation. It feels very professional grade, but easy to use. Okay, the sensation is warm but controlled. It's not hot at all. And you can feel the EMS as little pulses or tiny muscle movements, which is totally normal. What I appreciate is that it's got smart temperature control as well, so it never overheats and it only works when in contact with your skin. Like, it feels gentle, but you can tell it's actually doing something. And then you can just top the gel up if you feel it getting a little bit dry or if you haven't applied enough. Since this is my first time using the device and I wanted to give a genuine first impression, what I wanted to show you was the immediate effects. So I'm going to insert a clip of the before and after from me using this device today. And since I'm currently planning for my wedding, I'm actually planning on using this device as a skin emergency tool on the day. I'm not going to get overly technical, but I do want to explain why this device is different. The R3 device combines 3 technologies, the first one being radio frequency or RF. RF gently heats the deeper layers of the skin, and that heat causes existing collagen to contract, which gives an instant tightening effect. And over time, that will encourage your skin to produce new collagen. What makes AMIRO different though is their central electrode RF technology. So instead of the heat coming from the outside ring, the energy releases from the center of the head and spreads outwards like a ripple. That means more even heat, deeper penetration, larger coverage, and less discomfort, so you don't get them hot spots some devices are known for. And then second, we have electrical muscle stimulation or EMS. This targets the facial muscles and not just the skin. It sends gentle electrical pulses which make the muscles contract slightly, so it's basically like a workout for the face. And this is what helps with the lifting, jawline definition, and that V contour. And then third, we have LED light therapy, which helps with skin elasticity, brightness, and product absorption. There are a few different modes depending on what your skin needs. The eye area special care mode, this uses yellow light alongside RF and EMS to help smooth fine lines, brighten dark circles, and depuff the under eye area. You use this for about 4 minutes total, 2 minutes per eye, a few times a week. You can also pair it with an eye gel or an eye mask for extra hydration. The V contour emergency mode. This one is great if you want a quick sculpt, especially in the morning. It focuses on jawline, cheeks, and the lower face. It's about 4 to 5 minutes and it's designed to give that visibly firmer, more lifted look. Perfect before makeup. And then we have full face anti-aging mode. This is more of a complete treatment. It combines red and infrared light with RF and EMS to smooth fine lines, brighten the skin, improve overall firmness, Again, it's quick, around 5 minutes total. So a little recap of all the modes. Morning, V contour mode for a lifted look. Evening, full face mode while we're relaxing. And then eye mode 2 to 3 times a week for puffiness. So overall, I think this is a perfect fit if you're someone that loves skincare but wants something low effort, if you're starting to notice early signs of aging, or if you're in a phase like me where you want your skin to look the best without overdoing it. For wedding prep especially, I love the idea of something that gives both instant results and long-term benefits. So if you're curious to try the AMIRO R3 Turbo facial RF device, then don't forget to use my code, which I'll pop on screen again now, and I will also link it below. They also offer free shipping, a 90-day money-back guarantee, and a 1-year warranty, which makes trying it feel a lot more risk-free. As always, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you'd like a longer-term update once I've used this device constantly. But thank you so much, and I'll see you next video.